Glenn Gallios right here. Here we go. Will he be able to beat Mark Vasquez at 40.593? Here we go. Mark Vasquez, fastest. Glenn Gallios has a chance or poised to get this one right here. Navigating to that part of the track. Here we go. Now onto the home stretch. Glenn Gallios now onto the chicanes. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Will he be able? 42.005. Wow! Luis Escona, he holds the fastest a while ago. Tingnan natin if he'll be able to home stretch for Luis Escona. Here we go. 35, 36, 37, 38. Luis Escona, will he be able? 49.53. Wow, binaliktad lang. Here we go. Luis Escona. Oh, problems on the car. There we go. Wow. Nice maneuver right there, Luis Ascona. Now, here we go. Tingnan natin. Mark Vasquez holds the fastest right here. This is two Bacolod drivers right here. Bacolod versus Bacolod. Mark Vasquez, 40.593. Here we go. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Will he be able? 41, 42.25. Here we go. Glenn Gallios, we're gonna go to Glenn Gallios right now because 7 we were able to run the time. Here we go, Glenn Gallios. $42,693 for Glenn Gallios. Here we go, Glenn Gallios and 7 Aleman. So a while ago, the time of 7 Aleman did not run. Now, Dr. Glenn Gallios, here we go. This is the Expert Open B category. Here we go, Glenn Gallios right there. There we go. Look at the times. These two drivers, these are the top two drivers. Will any one or both of them beat Mark Vasquez? 45.93. There we go. Home stretch. Medyo sabay po sila. Tingnan natin yung takbo nila. Here we go. On to the home stretch of this one right here. On to the finish line. This is going to be crucial. Wow. 41.226.